All right, let's jump right into this quick start guide for the Calendar Snack View UI.
So you need a UI for your invite server? Well, this covers 2 reference apps that do just that.
You actually get 2 UIs. First up is the public-facing client UI for your users.
And then there's the admin UI. This is where you'll manage everything behind the scenes.
Now, this is super important. These UIs don't create events, they just display them.
So what's it built with? We're talking a really modern stack, centered around View 3.
And yeah, it uses all the tools you'd expect, like Axios for APIs and Tailwind for a clean look.
Okay, before we get started, you need a few things. First, your backend has to be live.
You'll also need your domain and API keys handy for those protected endpoints.
All right, installation is super simple, just 3 steps. First, install the dependencies with npm.
Next up, you're going to create a .env file. This is for all your environment variables.
And speaking of variables, here are the big ones you'll need for your API endpoints.
And for the last step, just fire up the dev server and you're good to go. Let's talk architecture for a sec. It's broken down into 3 really clean, logical layers. First, you've got this single event scope. This layer handles everything for just one event.
Moving up, there's the organizer scope. This manages all events for a single organizer. And at the very top is the system scope. This gives you that big picture system-wide view.
So, why does this matter? Well, this separation keeps the data flow incredibly clean and predictable.
Okay, time to make sure it all works. Here's a quick checklist to run through.
You'll want to check that new events show up and that your APIs and stats are working right. If everything on that list checks out, congrats, your UI is fully integrated.
So this is basically your blueprint. Now you have everything you need to build your own solutions.